Cauliflower soup with smoked cheddar. Heat butter and oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add onion and garlic. Cook stirring as you go for 5 minutes or until the onion softens. Add cauliflower and stock to the pan. Turn the heat up to high and bring to the boil. Then reduce the heat to medium-low. Cook for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the cauliflower is tender, remove the soup from the heat and leave to cool slightly before blending. For the smoked almond pesto, place rocket, basil, parmesan, almond, and garlic in a food processor. Process until finely chopped. Gradually add oil, processing until well combined. Season the pesto with salt and pepper. To finish the soup, use a stick blender to carefully blend the cauliflower mixture until very smooth. Add cheddar and cream. Stir the soup over low heat for another 1 to 2 minutes to heat through. Season with salt and pepper. For the fried cauliflower topping, heat oil in a frying pan over high heat. Add cauliflower florets and cook for 2 to 3 minutes each side or until golden brown. To serve, drizzle with the smoked almond pesto. Top with the fried cauliflower, sprinkle with basil. This creamy cauliflower soup is simple to make and packed with flavour. For the full recipe, see the description below. Want more soup inspiration? Check out our slow cooker ham hock minestrone video here.